up, casters, reloaders, and shooters? Thanks for joining. Today's going to be a little bit fun, a little bit hectic. I'll try to keep it as organized as possible. But today we're going to be shooting 3 rifles, doing some load development. The first rifle, we'll be trying out the 6.5 Creedmoor. I've been doing a hand loading series on this, and I ran into a snag with my overall length. Today we're going to re-verify some loads with that. I also am going to bring out the new AR, which is chambered in 6x45, or otherwise known as 6mm 223 Remington. So we'll be shooting the first rounds through that rifle, and we'll see if we get accuracy node. Mostly I'm shooting that rifle just to fire form the brass. That way I can do some load development. I do have a lot of run out on those bullets. So other than that, the final rifle that we'll be shooting is the SKS. We'll be trying out some cast lead 135 grain gas checked bullets. Those bullets are made by NOE. It is the NOE HTC 135 GC bullet. That is powder coated and gas checked with aluminum gas checks. So let's get to it. What I'll do is I'll post a comment below on this video of the times if you guys just want to see the Pacific caliber, other than, you know, scrolling through the whole video. I'll post a comment and sectionize it per rifle. Other than that, I'll also post it up here, and I'll give you the times of this video. So let's get to it. I'll get you guys pointing down range. We'll be shooting at 100 yards in a prone position. All right, shot number 1, 41 grains of IMR 4451. All right, just at 1 inch, so that's at 41 grains. Let's go on to 41.3. So here is 41.9 grains. I shot this last time, and this was a promising group, and today, same results. This gave me just under MOA. I'm at 890 thousandths inch group, so not bad. Probably could have tightened it up with a better stance. These bullets are 8 thousandths off the land, so I can probably work with that as well. So let's try out 42.1. This is some funky powder. That gave me a 0.64 inch group. Really good. I changed my point of aim, and that was a pretty good group, but the standard deviation numbers and stream spreads were pretty high. Let's try out a 42.5 grains, or 42.6 actually. This was 42.3. So, all right, so this was the last group at 42.6 grains. Gave us a, I got a duplicate on shot number 2 and shot number 3. That was shot number 1 here, which I nailed exactly where I was aiming. Shot number 2, then 3, and this was 2,854 FPS. So a little bit of vertical stringing, but not bad. That's over 1 inch group though. That's a 1.3. So I'll probably stick with a 41.9 grains, since that's been proven twice to be an accuracy node and a pretty good standard deviation number. So I think I'm all set with the 4451. Maybe I might mess with the overall length. Probably scoot it back a little bit. Like I said, I'm at 8 thousandths off the lands. These are seated at 2.850 using the Hornady 140 grain bow to hollow point. They're not the ELDs. They're just the bow to hollow points. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and set up for the 6x45 AR 6mm 223, and we'll see what those do. Real quick, I'll go over the build on the rifle. Very budget-minded, nothing too fancy. It has a Magpul adjustable stock and Magpul MOE grip. The loader receiver is made by Polymer 80, and I prefer this over the aluminum receivers. For some reason, it feels a lot more solid to me. It just has a stock GI trigger brought down to 5.5 pounds. The bolt carrier group is made by APOC Armory, and you can pick these up for 68 bucks. Very, very smooth for the price.
the upper receiver and handguard. I picked this up from Davidson Defense. It's their own house brand, but they work with Aero Precision and they make very top quality products. I picked that up for $105, and they also do make their own muzzle brakes. This one is a tanker style, and it really goes with the theme of this rifle. Does a great job keeping the muzzle rise down, but your friends and folks will feel it. This does give a good percussion on the side. As far as the scope, there's a CV Life scope from Amazon, $33. And for the barrel, that barrel was actually sent to me from my friend Full Taco. This barrel is a 1-in-9 twist. It's made by Black Hole Weaponry, chambered in 6x223. It is a 1-in-9 twist, shallow 3-groove barrel. So it should do a pretty good job with some cast lead bullets as well. Now, speaking of bullets, Taco also sent me some varmint hollow points. These are made by Spear bullets. These are 75 grain plain base bullets, and they're very aggressive looking. These will probably do some really good damage to your varmints if you're to use these for hunting. So really excited to see what these do. In the future, I will take this out and shoot some milk jugs in honor of Footlet Taco.
All right, so here's the first shots. The 6mm 223. These are loaded up with 24.3 grains of Varget. And see what kind of speed we get through the chronograph. Man, I didn't even sight this gun in, and it's right on the money. $29.34. Alright, check that out. So, not a bad start. 5 shots, not even sighted in the scope. It was right on the money. And that was the first 5 shots out of that barrel. 24.3 grains of Varget. That's 75 grain hollow point. That is not bad at all. I'll take that. And we're at 100 yards, of course. So, all right, let me patch this up and let me try 24.6. All right, 24.6 grains. Yeah. 24.65. That was 21.58. 21.41. Not sure if the chronograph's reading correctly. Light primer strike. $21.34. So in a really good group. All right, not bad. Another good group. I had a 2400 FPS on the first couple shots, and then it dropped down to a 21. So it's kind of weird. I'm not sure if my chronograph is misreading or what. But those groups are looking pretty good as well. So I got 24.9 grains, and then after that, I'm going to switch over to Hydrogen 322. And I got some loads worked up there, and we'll see if we get an accuracy node. $24.9. That was 21.34. I don't think that chronograph's reading correctly. Let me bring it up closer. I still read 21.34. Hydrogen 322, 23 grains. All right, unfortunately, the gun got jammed right in the middle of my last round of 23.6, and instead of me trying to force it out here, I'll just bring it back and unclear that. But the Hydrogen 3 H322 is also showing some promise. I mean, right out of the box, that barrel is doing awesome. Very, very happy. As you can tell, my points of aim were changing. I was aiming at the little numbers here, and the grouping started opening up. It's not as performing as good as Varget, but I am getting a little bit better velocity. So the chronograph really wasn't reading. I really didn't have it set up correctly. So on the next fire session or the load development, I will have this set up correctly, and I'll get the actual chrono numbers. But that's a good looking group. Of course, like I said, I was moving up, point of aim, and my last shots were here before the fourth shot jammed on me on this gun. So is what it is. The sunlight is going down, so I'm gonna go ahead and shoot the SKS just to see if the cast lead bullets do work and if I can land some on target. And then after that, since it is dusk, I'm gonna try to shoot some tracer rounds that I got from Kyle Lusk. So we'll have some fun with that. So I'll be right back. Real quick, we're gonna shoot some cast lead bullets just to see if they'll function in the rifle. We're gonna start out with 18 grains. 18 grains of H3, or excuse me, H110. That is my go-to round for the 300 blackout. So the bullet is the HTC NOE bullet as well. It's gas checked, and it's powder coated with Eastwood lime green with Harbor Freight matte black. So all right, got 5 rounds loaded up. Let's put it down range. Well, I can see the primer from here on that case, and it's really, really good. No pressures at all. And full function, locked back, 18 grains. Pretty cool. Let's check the barrel for leading. And we are clean, no leading at all. One on paper. There it is. So yeah, I need to get more practice on this gun anyway too. So well, let's try out some more rounds, and then we'll shoot the tracer rounds. 5 more shots, and I think the lighting conditions are just perfect. There you go, load it up. Cheers on. Full function. All right, so we got a bogey set up It looks like this guy's popping out like a gopher. 300 yards downrange. Little black dot right there. We're gonna see if we can walk in the 7.62 by 39 round, the tracer. You know, not really meant for accuracy, but we'll see if we can nail that guy. He's mocking me down there. Oh gosh, I just missed him. Keep going right over him. Got him! Nailed him! Alright, hit him once, let's see if I hit him again. Got him. See that spark? Mm-hmm. 300 yard SKS tracer round. All right, that one did ignite. Well guys, that was a lot of fun. I appreciate you guys watching. It's getting late, moon's out, coyotes are singing, so I'm gonna get back to where I'm top of the food chain. Oops, sorry about the glare. Let me get out of this glare. Anyways, yep, I didn't think I was gonna be able to nail this target at 327 yards. That's exactly what I measured, so pretty cool I did that, and I hope you guys enjoyed that footage. Stay tuned, stick around, like, subscribe, and share, and don't forget to visit the Reloaders Network, which this video will also be hosted there as well. So stay tuned guys, and catch you soon. Thanks for watching.